Mr. Antipatico. Mr. Antipatico, you wear your disdain like a crown. A king in a kingdom of indifference, your eyes cold as winter's breath, speak volumes in their silent, disapproving glare. You walk the streets, a fortress of solitude, unyielding, unbending in your aloofness. People try to breach your walls to reach you, but you keep them at bay with your stoic demeanor. Yet behind that mask of ice lies a soul yearning, burning for connection. Mr. Antipatico, what made you this way? Did the world carve your heart from stone? Or did you build those walls yourself? In your silence, there is a story untold, a history of wounds, of battles fought and lost. You repel others with your harsh exterior, but I see the vulnerability, the fragility within. You push away not out of malice but out of fear. Fear of rejection, of betrayal, of hurt. Mr. Antipatico, let down your guard. Let the world see the man behind the mask. For in your icy fortress, you are not free. You are a prisoner of your own making, breaking the chains of your indifference, and let your heart thaw in the warmth of human connection. Mr. Antipatico, you are not alone in your struggle, in your pain, in your quest for identity. Reach out and find solace in the touch of another, for in our shared humanity, we find our true selves.